Hang on a second. In my last haul video, I had a 5-pack of these Maxell MD74s with a white back, and they're very similar to my probably favourite set of mini discs, which is a 5-pack or 15-pack in fact of these ones with a black back. So I prefer these ones, but these ones are very nice as well. And I was just looking through my stash of blank mini discs for 4 mini discs that I could record my latest purchase on CD of Pelican West 40th anniversary by Haircut 100, and I was looking for 4 of these to match the colour of the CDs in the set, and I found this one which looks the same as this one, but it has a blue back. So I've also found a yellow one with a yellow back. So there must be a whole set of these out there somewhere where the back matches the front, and I didn't know that, and I've probably got 200 mini discs, maybe more than that, so I'll be on the lookout for one of those. Anyway, just a quick sort of midweek video for you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.